Hello, my name is Emilia Gomez. I'm very happy to present our work evaluating recommender systems with and for children towards a multi-perspective framework. Children are common users of recommender systems even if not designed for them. However, the literature has shown that children are not miniature adults. They have special needs, capabilities, and expectations from recommender systems. There is then a need to develop systems with children at the center. The literature has shown that recommender systems can bring unique opportunities to children. They can bring value and support children's autonomy by providing accessibility to material on a large scale, facilitating self-guided and personalized learning, supporting their diversification and agency, and also providing means for interaction and peer-to-peer recommendation. For that reason, they have been exploited in different domains, from information search to story and book recommendation. However, the literature has also identified some risks that those systems can pose to children, starting from privacy issues, overexposure information bubbles, the exposure to undesirable content or advertising, the risk of addiction or dependency, the difficulty for parents to monitor their children's behavior, or the propagation of gender stereotypes. These are the three main challenges we can encounter when evaluating recommender systems with children. First, there is a limitation in data availability. Second, there is also limited survey abilities, being surveys a very well-established methodology. And finally, we need to see this exercise as a multi-stakeholder one. In this work, we propose a multi-perspective framework for children-centered recommender system evaluation. Starting from the context, the purpose, and the value of the system, we define 4 different dimensions. In the first one, an evaluation exercise must be linked to a component of the system, either an individual component or the system as a whole. The second dimension relates to the methodology. Each evaluation exercise should be linked to a given methodology, either a quantitative, qualitative, and also to the specific metrics that are used. The third dimension relates to the stakeholder that is the focus of the evaluation exercise: a child, a parent, a teacher, or society in general. And finally, the fourth dimension relates to the temporal scale of the evaluation that can go from short-term to longitudinal studies. These are the 3 main conclusions of our work. The first one, we need to address the opportunities as well as the risks of recommender systems with children. We need to design evaluation practices considering these 4 framework dimensions. And finally, there is a need to build reproducible studies that can be, of course, reused and also complemented for a comprehensive evaluation. Thanks a lot for your attention, and I hope to discuss about this work in the workshop.